The marriage between Football Kenya Federation, Premier League and its broadcast rights holders, Mp and Silva, could be heading for the rocks. Mp and Silva has expressed its desire not to remit more money to the federation. In a letter to top FKF officials, the company's Chief Operation Officer Roberto D'Amiglio acknowledges the federation's recognition that the contract needs to be renegotiated. Mp and Silva has already released about 79 million Kenya shillings and therefore believe they have guaranteed minimum amount with the two first payments totaling the above. FKF is yet to provide them with clear evidence that the television rights for the World Cup and Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers are at their full disposal. Mp and Silva have left a window for reverting to the original agreements.
It was really a challenge to have the FC Leopards or Gor Mahia on board in the league because the leadership of the two clubs were blowing both hot and cold. Yeah, but we kept the Mp and Silva representatives very much aware. They are aware of each and every development. Yeah, so it's not anything new to them. I don't think that is a basis for a negotiation.